Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to solve exercise 1.1 that is given in your book on page number 9. Okay, so let's come on exercise, that is exercise 1.1 and we have to solve questions of exercise 1.1. And this is chapter, that is chapter numbers up to 200, that is exercise 1, numbers up to 200, numbers up to 200. Okay, and now we have to do this exercise 1.1. So let's come on question. First question is given in your book. Write a missing number, rate them allows, and you write. Okay, so you have to write counting from 101, 102, 103, 104 as you have to write up to 200. Okay, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107 you can write it. Okay, and now the next question is, firstly you have to write 101, 102 as like you can write this number and fill boxes. And now that is next question is write a number. Come on, next question, that is question number B. Write a number. Write a number, and that is of exercise 1.1. That is of exercise 1.1. Okay. Now let's come on question, that is question number B. Write a number. First question is 135. 145, 145. For 135, the number will be 135. The number will be 135, 135. The next question is 118. 118. 118. That is for 180 there will be 180. Okay, and now the next question is 168. Question number 4 is 168. 168. Okay, 168. And the next is 168, and the next is 197. 197. 197. So for 197 there will be 197. 197. Okay, and there are two remaining questions that you have to solve it. Now come on next question, that is complete a table, read a number, name aloud. Complete a table, read a number, name aloud. Okay, that is your next question. Now the next question is question number C. Complete a table. Complete a table, read a number, name aloud. Read a number name aloud. Okay, that is question. There is number, and after that hundreds, tens, ones, and number names. Okay, that is number, 100, tens, number name. Okay, first question is, the first one is 115. In 115, 1 is on 100 place, 1 is on 10 place, and 5 is on 1's place. And number name 115. 115. Okay, and now the next one is question number 2 is Question number 2, that is 102. 102. 1 is on 100 place, 0 is on 10 place, 2 is on 1 place. 100, 102, 102. And the next one is question number 4, that is 179. 1 is on 100 place, 7 is on 10 place, and 9 is on 1 place. 179. 179. Okay, 179. And now you have to solve the remaining question. Okay, you have to solve remaining question of this question. And now come on next question, that is write a greater number in the bigger flower and write a smaller number in the smaller flower. Question number D, write a bigger number in bigger flower. Write a bigger number in bigger flower and write a smaller number. Write a smaller number in smaller flower. Okay, that is first question is 129 and 150. Okay, 150 will be bigger flower and 129 is smaller flower. Okay, and now the next question is question number 2, that is 199 and 165. We know that 199 is bigger number, so we have to put 199 in bigger flower and 165 in smaller flower. Okay, now come on next question, write a number from the smallest to the greatest. Now the next question is write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. From the smallest to the greatest. Okay, that is the numbers are 147, 129, 174, 145, 199, 152, 106, 118. Which number is the smallest? We know that 127, 39, 34, 35, 99, 52, 108. Firstly, we have to write 106, then 118, 129, 145, 152, 147. There will be 147, 152, 145, 74, 174 and 190. Okay, now come on next question. Listen now, the next question is write the numbers that comes after, that comes before. Okay, first question is 110. The before number of 110 is 109. Second one is 171. The before number of 171 is 170. And now question number 3, that is 119. 118 comes before 119. Question number 4, 146. We know that 135 comes before 136 and 158. 157 comes before 158. Question number 5. Question number 6, that is 200, and you know that 199, and that is 199. And now next question is question number D. Write a number that comes after. Write a number that comes after. Okay, write a number that comes after. First question is 147. We know that 138 comes after 147. Second question is 110. 111 comes after 110. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 183. 183. What comes after 183? That is 184. And now the next one is question number 4. Question number 4 is 141. We know that 142 comes after 141. And the next one is question number 5. That is which question is 169. We know that 170 comes after 169. Question number 6, that is 154. 155 comes after 154. Okay, and now the next one is write a number that comes between. Question number H. Write a number that comes between. Write a number that comes between. Okay, and that is, what is it? That is, write a number that comes between. In this question number first is 108 and 110. We know that 109 comes between 108 and 110, because 109 is after number of 108 and 100 comes before 110. Question number 2, 179 and 181. 180 comes between 179 and 181. And question number 4 is 112 and 114. We know that 114 comes between 112 and 114. And the next one is, that is question number 4. What is it? 125 and 127. 126 comes between 125 and 127. Question number 5. 164 and 166. 165 comes between 164 and 166. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 196 and 198. 197 comes between 196 and 198. And now, lesson your homework. You have to do exercise 1.1 in your copy, as well as you have to fill in your book also. Okay? And now, thank you for watching the video. And you have completed exercise 1.1. Now, next we have to learn place value. Okay, thank you.